Leachate and its control. Leachate is any liquid in the course of time passing through matter, extract, soluble or suspended solids, or any other components of material through which it has passed. Another definition of leachate is that leachate is the liquid that drains or leaches from landfill. It varies widely in composition regarding the age of landfill and type of waste that it contains. It usually contains both a dissolved and suspended material. Leachate is produced when water from waste infiltrate into landfill. Another definition of leachate may be leachate is the liquid produced from when liquid percolate through any matter or any material or any uh, waste. It brings out its properties along with that water and become a leachate. Suppose this is the waste and water enters in this waste after passing the water or what, and after sips of water through this waste, when water comes out on other side, then it water contains some soluble, suspended, dissolved solids, and that water become leachate. Next, effects of leachate problem including clogging with mud silt. The due to leachate, the accumulation of mud, silt, and sticky material inside the pipe or over the surface. Next, growth of microorganisms in the conduit. Suppose this is the pipe and pipe carrying the wastewater, and due to wastewater wastewater present in the wastewater extract the soluble suspended matter from waste which is present in wastewater and become the leachate, which increases the growth of microorganism inside the pipe or conduit. Next, the chemical composition of leachate can weaken the pipe walls which may fail them. Now, in leachate contain different chemical composition. Due to this, which makes the pipe weaken, and after some days they may fail due to high pressure of waste. Next, percolation will cause the soil pollution. Now, leachate is in liquid form which percolate into the soil. When percolated into the soil, then soil pollution cause at that particular part of soil. Next, leachate will also contaminate the shallow groundwater source in rainy season. Suppose this is a ground level and a water table at shallow depth, shallow depth. Then whatever the leachate form here, they percolate through this soil and join to water table, this shallow water table. Then also due to this water get polluted. This is the uh, fifth point, water pollution. Next, leachate affects DO content of water, which is harmful for aquatic life. Suppose in in surface water, there are different aquatic life survive. If DO decreases decreases less than 4 ppm, less than 4 ppm, 4 ppm, then they are difficult to survive the aquatic life. To survive aquatic life in water, DO range should be in between 4 ppm to 8 ppm, 4 ppm to 8 ppm to survive the aquatic life in water. If pure DO decreases in water, then that DO which become harmful to aquatic life means DO decreases which is harmful for aquatic life. Next, leachate will lead to growth of waterborne disease. Now, due to content of leachate in water, their causes or produce waterborne diseases. They are harmful for aquatic life, also for human health, environment, or surrounding soil. These are the effects of leachate. Next, now control measures of leachate. Leachate is carefully collected and shall be treated before its release on ground if possible. Suppose we directly discharge the leachate in water or over the soil, then there may create different pollution. Means water get polluted. Suppose discharge in water body, and suppose we discharge it over the open land, then there cause soil pollution. So leachate should be treated before the discharge in water or over the ground. Next, prevention of migration of leachate from landfill sites and landfill base to subsoil by suitable line system should be provided. Now, in this case, this is the trench. To prevent the migration of leachate to subsoil, for that we should provide the liner at base of the trench and sides of the trench to prevent migration of leachate into subsoil, means soil which is below the trench. By providing suitable liner, we can prevent migration of leachate into the subsoil. So provide here leachate to sides of the trench or pit and base of the trench, which is utilized for landfilling. Next, use leachate treatment methods. Now there are different methods: natural system, biological treatment, physicochemical treatment. These are the methods used to treat the leachate. So use the suitable method according to situations to treat the leachate. So these are the controls points or measures of leachate. Next, now there are three important or main methods of leachate control. First, single liner system. Second, composite liner system. Third, double liner system. Now, first method is single liner system. In single liner system, clay liner, geosynthetic liner, or geomembrane is utilized for as a lining liner material. Single liner are generally or sometimes used in landfill designs to hold the construction and demolition debris. Now, construction and demolition debris produced from building activity means from construction site and demolition activities means a dismantle of old buildings in which includes concrete, asphalt, shingles, wood, bricks, glass, broken tiles, etc. These are the waste which is obtained from construction of building and demolition activities. These landfill are not constructed to contain paint, liquid tar, municipal garbage, treated lumber. Consequently, single liner system generally adequate to protect the environment. So, single liner system is cheaper to dispose of construction material in landfill than in municipal solid waste landfill because construction and demolition debris landfill use only single liner for municipal solid waste disposal. Uh, Double liner or composite liner is required, but for construction and demolition debris, single liner is sufficient. Also, here no need of skill supervision in case of single liner, which is used for construction and demolition debris disposal, are therefore cheaper to build and maintain than other landfill. Now, single liner is single liner is cheaper than other liner system means composite liner or double liner because their uh, arrangement or proper precaution should be taken in case of double liner system and composite liner system. This is the explanation of single liner system. Now next is image or diagram of a single liner system. Now this is the typical schematic of a state of the art landfill. Now this is the trench and a single liner is provided over the this excavated trench, gas extraction well to remove the gas which is uh, produced in this landfill, and different rigid pipes are provided here. This is the gas monitoring probe to identify the gas from surrounding areas. Leachate management system is also provided for removal of leachate from base of trench. The leachate which is accumulated over the base of trench to remove this leachate from base. Leachate management system is provided for removal of leachate. This is the typical schematic of a state of the art landfill. Next, this is the another image or diagram of single liner system. Here, geosynthetic material denoted by green dot, drainage system denoted by black dot, and leachate drains which are denoted by white dots, and clay liner 1 and clay liner 2, and this is the natural embankment landfill gas monitoring probe which utilized to identify the gas which is present in surrounding land. This is the pipe which is used for methane connection, and by using methane, electric generation plant is located over this, and this is the leachate collection system for removal of leachate from base of trench. This is the schematic diagram of single liner system. Now next is composite liner system. Composite liner consists of geomembrane in combination with clay liner. Now in composite liner system, in addition to geomembrane, there is additional layer of clay liner. Composite liner systems are more effective at limiting leachate migration into the subsoil than clay liner or single geomembrane liner. This composite liner system is more effective for controlling the leachate migration from trench to a subsoil. For generally to prevent migration of leachate from trench to subsoil, composite liner system is used. Composite liner are required in municipal solid waste landfill. Now, single liner system utilized for construction and demolition debris disposal, but composite liner system are utilized or generally used for disposal of municipal solid waste landfill. Municipal solid waste landfill contain waste which are collected from a residential area, commercial area, banks, institutes, industrial sources. The waste which is generated from different manufacturing activity which are carried out in industrial sources or at industrial source point. Now, this landfill may also accept construction and demolition debris but not hazardous waste. Now, composite liner system generally designed to disposal of municipal solid waste in landfill, but sometimes composite liner system also used for disposal of construction and demolition debris, but this system not never utilized for hazardous waste disposal. The minimum requirement for municipal solid waste landfill is composite liner. Frequently, landfill designer operator will install a double liner system in municipal solid waste landfill to provide additional monitoring capacities for the environment and community. Now, In some cases, designer and operator give advice to install the double line system for effective disposal of municipal solid waste by considering additional monitoring capacities regarding the environment protection, community protection. They always suggest the double line system for protection of environment point of view and community point of view. This is the composite liner system. This is the diagram of composite liner system. These are the leachate collection pipes. Gas vent for removal of gas. This is the waste deposited in trench, and a liner is provided here. This is the liner, clay liner is provided, and this is the bottom leachate collection pipes in provided. Leachate collection layer, this is the leachate collection layers, this is the leachate collection layer, and filter layer also provided over the leachate collection layer. Now this is the filter layer which is placed over the leachate collection layer. This is the leachate collection layer over which the filter layer is provided, and at the bottom clay liner is provided. This is the topsoil provided over the trench, drainage layer provided below the topsoil, and below which liner is provided. This is the fill. This is the, and also monitoring well is provided to observe the gases dissolve in or mix in surrounding landfill or land. This is the composite liner. Next, double liner system. A double liner consists of either two single liner, two composite liner, or single and composite liner. Means in double liner provide the pair of single liner or two composite liner, or single and composite liner is provided. Means select any one pair and provide the double liner system. Sometimes only two single liner are provided, or two composite liner or single line composite liners are provided in case of double liner. The upper liner generally function to collect the leachate, while lower liner act as leak detection system and backup to primary liner. Double liner system are used in some municipal solid waste landfill and in hazardous waste landfill. Hazardous waste landfill, also referred to secure landfill, are constructed the disposal of waste that once were ignitable, corrosive, reactive, toxic, and are of designed as a hazardous waste. These waste can have an adverse effects on human health